guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I'm gonna do something a little bit different and something a little bit more fun, and basically that is I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup only using different LA Girl Pro concealers. Now granted, it's no secret that LA Girl Pro Concealer has been like the OG of like drugstore slash like affordable concealers. I see people mixing these type of concealers with high-end makeup products, affordable makeup products, and it just turns out flawless every single time as long as you have your right shade. So basically I did stumble across a video that Teaira Walker did, I would say about a year and some change ago, when she did a video, and I was like, yo, that's a dope video idea. Like, I want to try it out. Like, I'm curious to see how I'm gonna end up being able to kind of try to slay my face only using these. Now granted, I got all of these colors off of Sam's Beauty. Something just fell, but I'll live. Anyway, so I got all these colors off of Sam's Beauty. Now at samsbeauty.com, these are only $2.99. Now if you do go to Ulta, they're $5. And then funny thing is, I don't know if you guys ever heard of Plato's Closet. I don't know how widespread they are, but around my area there's one of them, and they tried to sell it for like $8. And I said, excuse me, huh? Y'all trying to sell this cheap little $3 concealer for $8? It's a no for me. So basically it's kind of a mix. Like, I already kind of had a couple colors. Like, I have the orange color corrector, the nude one, and then I had to pick up a bunch of more different colors to find like my foundation shade, if that makes sense. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Before I even start getting into the whole slayation of the situation, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below for more videos. And yeah, let's get started. Now first and foremost, I'm actually going to be doing my brows first, and then I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup. I feel like whenever I do my face makeup and then my brows last, it never works out. So I haven't actually done it like that in forever. So with that being said, before I even start on my face, I'm going to try to do my eyebrows. I am super nervous because I feel like me doing my brows on camera, it's never easy whatsoever. So hopefully this turns out halfway decent. We will see. But I'm just going to be going in with dark cocoa, and that is basically, that's like the darkest shade that I have in like the brown color. So that's what that looks like. Now it does look like it's a bit lighter just because of the way the ring light is, but trust me, it's pretty dark, at least for me. Like, this is technically the color that I would use to do my eyebrows on a regular basis anyways. But yeah, my brows actually didn't turn out as bad as I thought they were going to, so that's a plus. So now all I'm going to be doing is going in with the color Cool Tan. Now this is technically the concealer shade that I use to do my brows and then also highlight my face. So I'm basically just going to be using this to kind of clean it up. Now I did notice with the dark cocoa, when I did my eyebrows, it's not as dark as it looks like when I put it on the brush. It kind of got a little bit lighter, but it still looks fine to me. So but now I'm just gonna conceal and clean them up a bit. Then I'm just gonna be going in with my flat, it's technically like a flat eyeshadow brush, but I like to use it to clean up my brows and kind of blend in my concealer. And this is from Shop Miss A AOA Studios in the style E113. Now I can honestly say this is looking pretty good, so I'm actually excited because I don't know about y'all, but I feel like as long as your eyebrows look good, the rest of your makeup should turn out fine, and then vice versa. If your eyebrows look a hot mess, the rest of your makeup isn't gonna look great. So far so good. We're starting off pretty well. I definitely could say too though is when I was putting the concealer on to help shape out my brows, it kind of got a little mixed in with the dark cocoa color. So definitely, if you guys are trying this, definitely be careful because the colors kind of got mixed in a little bit with each other, and that's a no-no. Then I'm just going to be going in with the Touch in Sol No Problem primer. Now I've actually been using this primer in a couple of my videos and also even when I'm off camera doing my makeup, and I definitely can say I really do like this primer. One pump, that's basically all you need. Well, then again, like I have a smaller head and a smaller face, so maybe you might need like a pump and a half, but other than that, it's nothing too crazy. So I definitely do recommend this primer if you guys are shopping for one. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of color correcting underneath my under eyes because of my dark circles, and I'm actually gonna be using the shade Nude. So that's what that looks like. So it's kind of like a peachy, nudish color. I mean, look at the name, Nude, of course. But basically, like, this is good for correcting like dark spots and dark circles on your face if you have like a light to medium skin tone. Because I remember before I was using the orange color corrector, and then come to find out like that was way too much for my face. Like that's like if you have like a deeper skin tone for you to color correct your dark spots, if that makes sense. So next I'm just going to be going in with my beauty blender that I got from e.l.f. and I'm just going to be blending that in. Now I'm not gonna lie, when it came to me trying to pick my foundation shade for this little experiment, it was extremely tricky because I don't know how to shade match to save my life by myself as it is. Like it takes me forever in the store, me doing I like to do my chest and my neck, not really my hand, because I definitely feel like my face is different from my neck is different from my hands. So me buying this online, like I dead bought like, I got warm, what is this one? I got warm honey, and then I also got fawn. Now fawn, I would definitely say is like my summer shade when I put it on. And because I actually got this one, I would say like 2 weeks ago, and I actually just got warm honey the other day when I picked up this wig. So I'm gonna try to see what warm honey looks like on my face first. And if I have to do a little bit of mixing, I gotta do a little bit of mixing. I'm not gonna be too upset, but I've never really like mixed concealers, let alone foundations before. Well, foundations, let alone concealers. So hopefully my face isn't looking crazy after this whole art ordeal is done. Oh no. I feel like my face looks so off. Wait a minute. Alright, hold on. Because I feel like this legit looks like it has like a peachy undertone. And like it just, my face just looks off. Like I feel like y'all remember the movie White Chicks? Like I don't know, like I don't know. It just, no. Let me add some melanin back into this. Okay, so I added a little bit. Let me show you guys. So which one's this one? Okay, so first I put warm honey all over my face, and that's what that looks like. And I feel like it looked way too peachy. I don't know, my skin still looks a little off to me. I guess it's because, again, like I'm not the best at shade matching and it takes a little while, but I did mix a little bit of fawn, and that's what that looks like. Now this I would definitely consider to be like my summer shade, because it's literally like one tone darker than Warm Toast, but I feel like these two mixed together made my face look a little bit better. I kind of like, when I'm looking at the mirror, it's different from what you guys are seeing on camera, if that makes sense. Like before, when I first put on just warm honey, it just looked, I kind of looked like I had like a weird white cast too. Like I don't know how to explain it. I had to put my phone on silent because apparently people only hit me up when I like to film, but it's cool. So next I'm just going to be going in and highlighting. Now I'm just going to be taking my Beauty Blender sponge again and blending that out. And I'm just going to, of course, go under my dark circles lash just to kind of let the concealer set a little bit and give me even more coverage. So next I'm actually going to be going in with the color Chestnut. And I'm just basically going to use that to contour my face and bring a little bit of more dimension back into the situation and whatnot. So I actually didn't know LA Girl had this, but when I was on Sam's Beauty and I was looking at the different colors and picking them up, they actually have highlighter colors. Now, the one they had, this one is Champagne. And that's what that looks like. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know they had that. And then they also have one that's like a blue type highlighter, but that wasn't really like the look I was kind of envisioning, so I ended up just getting Champagne because it was more like a golden type of highlight. So it kind of looks like y'all remember the Tin Man from, I was thinking Wizards of Waverly Place, Lord have mercy, the Tin Man from the Wizard of Oz. Like, that's kind of like what this color is giving me, kind of out the tube. So just because I want to be a little bit extra and I also need something to do while I'm waiting for my eyelashes to dry, I'm actually going to try to do my lips. I don't know how this is going to be because I have the bad habit of licking my lips after I put like Carmex on, lip gloss on, anything like that. So hopefully if I do happen to like run my tongue through my lips, the concealer won't taste too nasty. Okay, so far not bad. Okay. Let me see. We are gonna bang this out. We're gonna finish this video with a bang, okay? Let me see what the orange looks like. Hopefully it'll look okay. If that's not the case, I just won't wear a lip look. A lip look with this makeup look, if that makes sense. If for anybody wondering, it tastes gross. Some, of course, got in my mouth. I feel like the orange looks better. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think. But yeah, I'm not gonna be messing with my lips too much because I feel like if I keep messing with it, it's just gonna keep going in circles and I don't want that. Alright guys, so all I basically did was just slap on my mink lashes and called it a day. Again, I don't want to keep trying to manipulate and mess with stuff. God forbid if I make it even worse. So I like the orange color. It's actually growing on me. I think I actually might try to pick up like an orange liquid lipstick, especially now that it's becoming spring and all that fun stuff. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Definitely let me know in the comments how you guys think I did, if there's anything you guys would have done differently, if you guys are personally gonna try doing this yourselves just to kind of have something else to do when it comes to makeup. Kind of like, I wanted to kind of take a break from like the traditional like makeup tutorials and stuff and kind of switch it up and do something a bit more fun. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And yeah, I just wanted to basically just give a shout out once again to Teaira. I personally recently discovered her on YouTube, I would say maybe like a couple months ago, and ever since then I've loved her channel. I love her content. Teaira, if you ever happen to be watching this by some miracle, thank you. Like basically, like especially ever since I found out that she was kind of like an ugly duckling and kind of like grew up to be like this beautiful swan. Like she used to be kind of like dorky and geeky, and that's basically how I was too growing up. So to know that part of her life makes me like her even more. Like she's like my big sis in my head. So yeah, shout out to you, boo. If you happen to see it, that'll be great. You know, if not, no hard feelings. But yeah, I'm actually gonna go now because it is currently like 10 something at night. Let me see. Oh, it's actually 11. Great. Just great. So it's 11 p.m. and now I have to wash all this makeup off my face. So yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.